Hey there, welcome back to my channel. In this video, we're going to explore one of the most important topics in the modern world: cybersecurity. As our lives become more digital, the need for strong cybersecurity measures has become increasingly important. So, what is cybersecurity? Let's find out. Cybersecurity is the practice of protecting computer systems, networks, and digital information from unauthorized access, theft, and damage. It includes a wide range of technologies, processes, and practices designed to safeguard computer systems and networks from cyber threats. Cyber threats can come in many forms, including malware, viruses, phishing attacks, and hacking attempts. These threats can cause a wide range of damage, from stealing sensitive data to shutting down entire systems. Effective cybersecurity measures can help prevent these threats from occurring, or minimize their impact if they do. This can include using strong passwords, implementing firewalls and antivirus software, regularly updating software and security patches, and conducting regular security audits. In conclusion, cybersecurity is the practice of protecting computer systems, networks, and digital information from cyber threats. As our reliance on technology continues to grow, the need for strong cybersecurity measures will only increase. By implementing effective cybersecurity practices, we can help safeguard our digital lives. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for more content like this. Let me know in the comments what your thoughts are on this topic.